What's up everyone, it's your girl ChericeShana and I'm back with another video. Before I even get started, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Also make sure you follow me on social media. All of my links will be listed down below. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right on into the video. So you guys, based on the title, you already know what you're here for. You're here to see some makeup stuff that I got. Now, these are things that I have not gotten to show you guys that I've received during my hiatus away from YouTube. So before I start actually using them, I want to show you exactly what I have. So let's start with the basics. So I want to start off with some stuff that I got from the drugstore. And when I mean drugstore, I mean like, you know, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, places like those. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. Not that much things that I purchased, but I did go ahead and pick up this Wet n Wild First Gel Lip Liner. And it looks like this. I'm loving the color. It's in the color 662D. Don't Be a Prune. So it's like a purple, like a really deep purple color, and I'm all about really deep sultry colors in the winter time, not just, you know, Thanksgiving and Christmas, all throughout the winter months, like the Januaries, the Februaries, and the Marches. I love to wear dark color lipstick. I just think it looks absolutely amazing on my skin tone when I go out at night and I'm wearing a dark lip. Vampy is just, it just screams wintertime to me. So I'm loving this. Another drugstore product that I picked up was some lashes. I got these Kiss Lash Couture Faux Mink Collection lashes, and this is in the style Little Black Dress. I think this is so cute. It is not too much, so it's one of those, to me, pretty natural type of lashes. I like to wear very dramatic lashes. If I have on lashes, it's like go big or go home. So these are actually really, really basic lashes. So I'm eager to see how they're gonna look on me. So I cannot wait to try these. I also picked me up some setting spray. I am like a setting spray junkie. I have mad setting spray. Every time I see setting spray, I'm like, ooh, I want to try it. I want to see how it works. And like, I'm so addicted to setting spray. So I picked up this e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set setting spray in clear. And this is my second one, actually. I ran out of the first one, so I recouped this one right here. I really do like it. So I think that it does a pretty good job of keeping my makeup in place. And if you guys want to see a collection of setting sprays that I have, let me know down below. I'll tell you which ones I like, which ones I'm not really feeling, which ones are pointless, which ones are the hype. Yeah, so leave me a comment down below if you want to see like a collection of setting sprays to kind of keep your makeup on your face all day, okay? So when I went to Target, I actually picked up this Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. And I got it for the low. This was on sale. Well, this was on clearance actually. So instead of it being $5.99, I paid $2.50 for this. I should have picked up a lot more, but I didn't. And then some more brushes that I picked up from Real Techniques. I got me the Real Techniques Sculpting brush. And I also got me a Real Techniques Flawless Base Set. So it comes with 4 brushes. I love Real Technique brushes. I use the Expert Face brush to apply my foundation all of the time. I prefer using a brush than using a beauty blender or a beauty sponge to put on my liquid foundation. So because of that, I've been looking around for brushes that I think will suit me best, and Real Techniques brushes, well, the Expert Face brush is my favorite brush to use for foundation. I'm gonna give these a try and see what I think about them, but they're extremely soft and they're not that expensive compared to other brands of makeup brushes. So I told you guys that I love lashes, dramatic lashes, and my favorite place to get lashes from is Lily. I love Lily Lash and like Coco Lash, which I also really love, but the splurge is when you get Lily lashes. Lily lashes are definitely a splurge, and they haven't had a sale over the holidays. I didn't get that much. I only got 4 pair of Lily lashes. I got my 2 favorite lashes from them. I got 2 of my 2 faves. So I picked up 2 Miami Minks. So these are what the Miami lashes look like. I picked up 2 of those. And then I also picked me up 2 of the Mykonos style. So Mykonos and Miami are my 2 faves from Lily Lashes. So I just copped some of those for a re-up because I already have these styles, but I love them so much that I had to re-up. And every time they have a sale, I will be re-ing up, and I'm gonna also try some more. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite lash company and what's your favorite style, because I love lashes. I want to experiment, try different ones. So let me know what you guys like so I can try out the ones that you like and see if I can find some more faves to add to my collection. I was browsing the BH Cosmetics website and I saw that my girl, It's My Ray Ray's collection was on sale. So I decided to go ahead and pick up her entire collection, which is her 9-piece brush set and her makeup palette. And I absolutely love them. I am going to do an in-depth review on both, and I am going to use both in a video, which you guys will see later on. And so because of that, I don't really want to go into the specs. I'm just pretty much showing you guys that I got this. So getting into some more palettes that I purchased, I did pick up some palettes from Juvia's Place. I have never purchased from Juvia's Place before, so this was my first experience with Juvia's. I've seen a lot of mixed reviews on the YT, trust me, but I did my research and I decided to give them a shot, and I'm very happy that I did, because baby, these palettes are pigmented, honey. I picked me up 3 of her palettes. I got the Saharan palette, which looks like this on the outside. I purchased the Warrior 2 palette. And I purchased the Magic Mini palette. Now, I am, like I am doing with It's My Ray Ray's products, I am going to do individual videos on each of these palettes. I'm going to swatch them against my skin, show you guys how I use them in a makeup look, so you're able to get some creative looks from them that you probably have not seen before. Everybody has their own style of makeup, and I do my makeup differently than other people, and vice versa. So I'm going to give you guys some looks using each of these 3 palettes that I purchased from Juvia's Place. And I will be purchasing a lot more things from Juvia's Place because I absolutely loved my experience with them. So I would say do your research and take everything on face value. You have to try and experience yourself, or else you're never really going to know what the true tea is, okay? So I went on ColourPop and I picked up a few goodies from them. I picked up 2 precision brow pencils. These are my favorite brow pencils and I always buy them in bulk. So I picked up 2 of the brow pencils in black and brown. I picked up a no filter concealer in dark number 42. I picked up their matte and blur primer. I picked up their matte and blur face setting spray. I told you guys I love setting spray. And I picked me up another no filter foundation. If you guys have seen my videos previously, you've seen me use ColourPop foundation in a lot of my videos. You've also seen me use the concealer in a lot of my videos. I got a different color concealer this time. So instead of getting the 60 like I had before, I got the 42. And I picked up another foundation in 175. So I'm excited about that because I needed to re-up. Like I literally use the ColourPop foundation ever since. It was my go-to, my staple, because I was not going to run out of Fenty, okay? And last but not least, you guys, I'm excited about this one because I'm so sister happy that I picked up the James Charles palette, you guys. This is the James Charles Artistry palette from Morphe, and I am so excited about this palette right here, you guys. So I am not going to review the palette in this video, just showing you guys that I actually did pick up this palette. I had this palette for a while now. I had all these products for a while now, but you guys know, if you watched my last video, that I had a hiatus from the YT for reasons that if you guys watch the video, you'll know about. And so I never got to talk about any makeup products or anything like that. So I got makeup, so much makeup to show you guys, so much videos that I have to come out with to show you guys. But I'm definitely going to do swatches on my skin tone with this palette. I will be swatching every single sister color on my body so you guys can see the coloring. And of course, I'm gonna have my own makeup tutorials using this sister's palette, okay? So that is about it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all social media listed down, and you're gonna see a video. You should check it out. Thank you guys again for watching. Till next time. Bye.